Hello friends, welcome to Food Street. Today I'm going to share my recipe for making the most delicious and crispy chicken spring rolls. They are very easy to make and taste scrumptious, so let's begin. I'm going to heat my wok and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic and stir fry for about 15 seconds on medium-high heat. I've already boiled and shredded 2 chicken breasts, which is about 1.5 cups of shredded chicken. I'm going to add this to the wok and stir fry for a few seconds. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 chicken cube that I have crushed, and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. I'm adding 1 cup of shredded carrots, 2.5 cups of shredded cabbage, and 1 cup of chopped green bell pepper. I'm going to stir fry all the vegetables on high heat until they are slightly tender. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 teaspoons of chili garlic sauce. You can add a pinch of salt if needed. The soy sauce and chicken cube already have salt, so you can taste it and add the salt according to your taste. In the end, I'm going to add half a cup of spring onions. I'm going to turn off the heat and transfer the filling mixture to another dish so that it can cool down. In a small bowl, I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and some water to make a thin paste. This paste is going to act like a glue when we are making our spring rolls. I'm using 1 package of spring roll pastry sheets. There are about 20 sheets in my package. I had put these in the fridge to defrost a few hours ago. I'm putting about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the chicken and veggie mixture on the upper portion of the sheet. I'm going to bring the top down and give it 1 roll. Now I'm going to fold in the 2 sides and continue rolling down. At this point, I'm going to apply the flour and water paste and seal the spring roll. And in this way, I'm going to finish the rest. At this point, you can also freeze the rolls for up to 3 months and then fry them as needed. Now I'm going to fry the spring rolls until they are golden brown. Remember not to overcrowd the pan to maintain the crispiness of the spring rolls. I'm going to take out the spring rolls once they are golden brown. Serve them with your choice of sauce and enjoy. These chicken spring rolls are so crispy and delicious. You have to try them. Please like my video and remember to subscribe. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.